Alright guys, Red Shinigami 89 here. We are today, we are going to be learning how to use Streamlabs Chatbot. It is a very expansive and very utilizable chatbot that is provided by Streamlabs to cover all of your needs. So what we're going to do is we're going to teach you how to install it today and how to set it up for its integrations into Twitch and into any of your other favorite social medias. Okay, so let's go ahead, let's jump right into this. What you're going to do is you're going to go to Google, Internet Explorer, Firefox, your browser of choice, and you're going to go to streamlabs.com/chatbot. When you get there, you're going to be redirected to this page. It's going to provide you with some documentation for Streamlabs OBS, or not OBS, sorry, Streamlabs Chatbot. It's even going to tell you what it's compatible with, what function it has, everything down here with each of its, with Mixer, Twitch, and YouTube. Those are the three predominant platforms Chatbot uses. And from here, you just click Download Now. I already have it downloaded, so we're going to go ahead and we are going to download it, and then we're going to install it like we would any other application. So by to do so, you are going to go into your files. By default, it goes into your downloads, depending on your PC. I don't know if I have it actually downloaded. Didn't check. Streamlabs, OBS, Chatbot. There we go, Chatbot installed. So you'll give this icon a click. It looks like a little... Okay, sorry. You'll give this icon a little click. So it's in your downloads. So recap, in your downloads, and it's going to be called Streamlabs. It's going to be alphabetical. And then it's going to be Chatbot plus installer. So you're going to double click this and you're going to run it, install it like you would any other program. And then from here, you're just going to go ahead, I'm going to close this down. You're going to go ahead and you're going to open up Streamlabs Chatbot. Alright, so when you get it installed, you're going to get a page that looks very similar to this. You're going to get this little support pop-up. This is basically telling you the Discord, Twitter, and email links, along with its Twitch stream page, and I'm assuming it's streamed just and the website, and the website itself. So you can go ahead and just close that down. And then when we come in here, you're going to see this. Yours won't look quite like this. When you first come in, it'll say attempting to connect, and it basically won't say anything here because you don't have anything set up. All of these buttons are going to be named macro 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You shouldn't have anything on the right hand side other than your name. And maybe Decaf Smurf. It depends on what the Twitch bot's name is. And then from here, this is your what's called a console page. This is where you're going to see all of your Twitch chat and where you can put in commands and everything and actually interact with your chat. Right from this, you don't have to log on to Twitch or anything. It's all done right here. So this is all of their different tools that they offer. For today, we're going to be ignoring those, and we are going to be focusing on the integrations. Now, to set up the integrations, you're going to come down here to your bottom left-hand corner. This is your connections, settings, and support. Connections is the one we want. It looks like a little person, so if you go ahead and give that a click, you're going to be brought into this. You're going to have Twitch bot, Twitch streamer, Discord bot, Game with, Streamlabs, Extra Life, Cloud, OBS remote, and streaming service. These are the different integrations we have. So to start off, let's set up your streaming service. By default, it's going to be Twitch. But you may not use Twitch. You may use YouTube or you may use Mixer. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to streaming service. You're going to select your choice. And from there, you're just going to click Restart. And if you want to create a shortcut on your desktop, you could also do that as well. Once you hit Restart, it's going to restart Streamlabs Chatbot for example, if you use YouTube, with the YouTube settings and the YouTube tools it can use. It's going to look very similar, but it might be missing one or two items in comparison. So today, let's continue on. We're going to do it for Twitch, because that's what I use. I don't have a YouTube, nor do I have a Mixer. Well, I shouldn't say I don't have a YouTube. I have a YouTube, I'm just not going to set it up for YouTube. So for the Twitch bot, what you're going to do is when you come in, this is actually going to be empty. So what you're going to do is I'm going to disconnect it just so I can show you. You're going to put in a bot name. It has to match your streamer name. The connection type is going to be regular. And then you're going to click Generate Token. What this does is this brings up this little pop-up. You type in your username. And it would help if I actually was typing. Make sure you spell it right. And then you're going to put in your password. Gotta love it when you don't remember your own password. See? Okay, and then it's gonna, for me, I have to have a two-factor authentication, so you would put in the authentication now. Oops, I keep doing it. Verified token. It's gonna say authorizing you, it's gonna redirect you. You're gonna authorize it. It's gonna bring you back to this page. Go ahead and click connect. Yes. You're done. And you'll notice it's connected because now it's going to show you all of the, it's going to say attempting to connect, bot client successfully connected. For me, I'm hosting somebody because I'm part of a team, so it's automatically hosting for me. And then it's going to tell me if I have moderators. And it gives me the list of my moderators. Then, the next thing is your Twitch streamer. This is probably your next, these two things are very important. If you want a Twitch bot in your channel, monitoring the chat, doing things in your chat, you need the Twitch bot. If you just want to connect to use the functions with your Twitch channel, you need the Twitch streamer. It's the exact same process. You're going to put in your username, you're going to click Generate Token, you're going to sign in, and then you're basically going to authorize it. You're going to get an auth token autofilled here, and you click Connect. That's all you do. Discord bot is a little bit more difficult. So to do this, I'm actually going to disconnect this. I'm going to click, empty out that. I'm going to click on Join Server. So you notice how it gives me that error? You can't have this empty. You have to. So let's go back here real quick. Let's pull up. Oh crap! I closed it down, didn't I? Okay, so let's go back to Streamlabs.com real quick. So we're going to go to Twitch doc. What we're going to do is we're going to go to Chatbot and we're going to go to Twitch documentation. I've already pulled that up, and this is what we're going to get, Streamlabs documentation. Read this. I can't stress this. Like, yes, I'm giving you guys all this bullet point forms that I can give, but we really do need to read this if you really want to get the full Discord. So we're going to go to Discord bot. It's then telling me, go to this website. All right. So they're going to redirect me. I've already got my bot here. And then what you need to do is you need to click on Client ID. Pretty sure that's what I need to do. We'll double check it here. I'm not creating an application. Okay, client ID and token. Okay, so we're going to go to connections. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on Discord. We're going to enter your client. Okay, so what we do is we take that information we just got here. I'm going to regenerate that, and I'm going to do that off camera so you guys don't see it. But you're going to basically click to reveal this. You're going to get a new one. I'm going to regenerate that. And because it's going to be doing that trick on me, I'm going to do this. Regenerate again. Just so you guys don't see it, I apologize. We'll get back to Chatbot. There we go. And my computer sucks when it's encoding. So what we'll do is we'll quickly X that out so we can get this little Discord bot. We'll throw in the client ID here. And then the client secret we'll copy and paste, which you can do by clicking copy. And you're going to put that in the auth token. And then join server. Okay? And from here, it's basically saying, this is not red. Add bot to join the server. You just select your server, your Discord server. You're going to leave everything as is, and you're going to click authorize. Of course, you're going to do the little capture check, and you're done. That's all there is to it. We go back to Chatbot, we click connect. did. What are you? Keeps doing that. 1 second. Okay, I apologize. I made a small mistake here. So upon looking at this a little bit closer, when you get into this page, when you create your bot, you don't want your client secret. You want the bot's token. You can reveal it, but I'm just going to click copy. And from here, you're going to paste it in the auth token. Now you're going to click connect. And you're done. It's grayed out. You're good to go. If you have a GameWisp account, you do the same thing. You click generate token. It's going to take you to GameWisp. You're going to sign in. It's going to give you a token, and it'll input it here for you. Once it's there, you just click connect. You're done. The only thing I would recommend is to click allow GameWisp subs, to use Twitch sub commands. The reason for this is any command you enter in Chatbot, you want to make sure the subs that you get on Twitch and the subs you get on GameWisp are both connected so they get the same features. Now, this one. This is the Streamlabs integration. This is for people who use the Streamlabs currency, the Streamlabs extension. In here, you can connect to Streamlabs, which I would recommend. Even if you don't use the currency, I would recommend connecting to Streamlabs anyway, because it gives you your donations and everything as well. What you'll do is you'll just click generate token. It'll direct you to Streamlabs. You'll log in with your Twitch account, and then you'll authorize the chatbot to access your tokens and your viewers, and basically to access Streamlabs, you'll click connect. Once you have clicked connect, you get a few more options here. If you're using the currency, so for me, I use the Streamlabs extension currency. You can just click right here, import currency and hours to Chatbot. Right now, I have it. Since I have it imported, I can click export and it will send it to the extension instead. Okay, that's all there is on this page. You can sync to tip page, and then you can also disconnect. Extra Life. If you partake in the Extra Life marathons that happen every year, you can put in your participant ID here, your team ID here, and click connect. That's all there is to it. No auth token or anything. This will log you in. Cloud. If you want your settings automatically backed up, so if you have a Dropbox or if you have the OneCloud or any other cloud-based system, if you want to back up all these settings and everything, you can pick your folder. So, for example, you would click pick folder. You would go on your drive. You would find your drop folder box. You would select it, and then basically you're gonna then select automatically backup data to cloud folder, and then it's gonna ask you how many days. So if you do this, you can slide this slider across the room. So you can basically go up 1, 2, 3, 4. It can go all the way up to 30. Automatically back up data to cloud folders for 30 days, 1 day, so forth. And then you just save settings. From here, you can also you can do a manual create backup. You can import a backup so if something happens. You can create Excel files for your things like song list, queue data, combination of commands, timers, etc. Or you can split the Excel files. I might start doing this. I just haven't actually set anything up yet. I don't have a cloud service, at least with any space on it. OBS remote. Some people really haven't been coming over to Streamlabs because they cannot access OBS. Like they can't give an OBS remote. Well, with OBS Chatbot, you can actually do a few things. And this is how you would basically get the remote to work. You would put in the IP address that OBS is on, the port that it's listening on, and then the password that OBS is listening for. This is not something I'll be covering. This is something, if you need help with, you're going to be looking through OBS documentation. This has nothing to do with Streamlabs or this connection. Basically, you put in the IP that the OBS is listening to, the port that it's listening on, and the password for the OBS. And then you click connect. If it was successful, you'll get a successfully connected message. If it wasn't, you'll get an error. And we've already gone over streaming service. Just hits, you select your service, click restart, and you're done. That's all there is to it, guys. So I hope you guys, that's all there really is to Streamlabs Chatbot for integration setup. I do apologize about some misinformation there I gave at the beginning regarding the Discord bot, but I hope I did clarify that up for everybody. And if anyone has any questions, need more clarification, you can reach out to me on Twitch, Twitter, Discord, or even right here in the comment section of YouTube. I do monitor all these things religiously, so I'm always available if you need help. Alright guys, so I hope you guys had fun, I hope you learned something, and I hope to see you in my next video. Catch you guys later. Red Shinigami.